Hello, dear friends. I am Dr. Seema Gupta, an Ayurveda doctor. Friends, when sometimes we eat our favorite food or we eat in large quantity, we may feel sometimes bloating, gas, constipation, acidity. It happens due to our poor gut health. So, in today's video, let's discuss 10 ways to improve our gut health. Friends, gut health refers to the balance of microorganisms that live in the digestive tract. Looking after the health of the gut and maintaining the right balance of these microorganisms is vital for physical and mental health, immunity, and more. These bacteria, yeasts, and viruses, of which there are around 100 trillion, are also called the gut microbiome or gut flora. Many microbes are beneficial for human health and some are even essential. Others can be harmful, especially when they multiply. So now let's discuss 10 scientifically supported ways to improve our gut microbiome and enhance overall health. Friends, the first one is take probiotics and eat fermented foods. To boost the beneficial bacteria or probiotics in the gut, some people choose to take probiotic supplements. These are available in health food stores, drug stores, and online. Friends, some researchers have suggested that taking probiotics can support a healthy gut microbiome and that it may prevent gut inflammation and other intestinal problems. Fermented foods like yogurt are a natural source of probiotics. Secondly, eat prebiotic fiber. Friends, probiotics feed on non-digestible carbohydrates called prebiotics. This process encourages beneficial bacteria to multiply in the gut. A research from 2017 suggested that prebiotics may help probiotics become more tolerant to certain environmental conditions, including pH and temperature changes. People who want to enhance their gut health may wish to include more of the following prebiotic rich foods in their diet as asparagus, bananas, garlic, onions, and whole grains. Thirdly, eat less sugar and sweeteners. Friends, eating a lot of sugar or artificial sweeteners may cause gut dysbiosis, which is an imbalance of gut microbes. Researchers has also indicated that human use of artificial sweeteners can negatively impact blood glucose levels due to their effect on gut flora. This means that artificial sweeteners may increase blood sugar despite not actually being a sugar. Friends, fourth point is reduce your stress. Managing stress is important for many aspects of health, including gut health. In humans, a variety of stressors can negatively affect gut health, including psychological stress, environmental stress, such as extreme heat, cold, or noise, even sleep deprivation. Some stress management techniques include meditation, deep breathing exercises, and progressive muscle relaxation. Exercising regularly, sleeping well, and eating a healthful diet can also reduce stress levels. Friends, fifth point is to avoid taking antibiotics unnecessarily. Although it is often necessary to take antibiotics to combat bacterial infections, overuse is a significant public health concern that can lead to antibiotic resistance. Antibiotics are also damaging to the gut microbiota and immunity, with some researchers reporting that even 6 months after their use, the gut still lacks several species of beneficial bacteria. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, that is CDC, doctors in the United States prescribed around 30% of antibiotics unnecessarily. As a result, the CDC recommend that people should discuss antibiotics and alternative options with their doctor before use. When sixth point is to exercise regularly. Regularly exercising contributes to good heart health and weight loss or weight maintenance. Research has also suggested that it may also improve gut health, which may in turn help control obesity. Working out may increase species diversity. A 2014 study found that athletes had a larger variety of gut flora than non athletes. The physical activity guidelines for Americans recommend that adults engage in at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week, along with muscle strengthening activities on 2 or more days each week. Friends, seventh point is to get enough sleep. Getting enough good quality sleep can improve mood and gut health. Establish helpful sleep habits by going to bed and getting up at the same time each day. Adults should get at least 7 hours of sleep per night. Then eighth is use different cleaning products. Just as antibiotics can disrupt the gut microbiota, so too can disinfectant cleaning products do. Friends, the researchers found that those who lived in homes where people used disinfectant cleaning products at least weekly were twice as likely to have higher levels of microbes than the who use daily. Ninth point is to avoid smoking. Smoking affects gut health as well as the health of the heart and lungs. It also greatly increases the risk of cancer. A 2018 review of research published over a 16-year period found that smoking alters the intestinal flora by increasing potentially harmful microorganisms and decreasing the levels of beneficial ones. These effects may increase the risk of intestinal and systemic conditions such as inflammatory bowel disease. Friends, 10th point is eat a vegetarian diet. Studies have demonstrated a significant difference between the gut microbiomes of vegetarians and those of people who eat meat. A vegetarian diet may improve gut health due to the high level of prebiotic fiber it contains. Friends, in nutshell, maintaining a healthy gut contributes to better overall health and immune function. By making appropriate lifestyle and dietary changes, we can alter the diversity and number of microbes in our gut for the better. Positive changes a person can make include taking probiotics, following a fiber-rich vegetarian diet, and avoiding the unnecessary use of antibiotics and disinfectants. Other simple lifestyle changes a person can make include getting enough sleep and exercising regularly. However, a person should talk to their doctor before making any drastic changes in their diet because for some people, such as those with irritable bowel syndrome or other medical conditions, probiotics and fiber rich or vegetarian diets may not be helpful. So friends, as we have known the good effects of probiotics to keep our gut healthy, I want to introduce with you a probiotic that is probiotic T50. It's 100% fresh and natural. It Probiotic T50 is a nutritional supplement that cleanses the colon and gets rid of toxins from the body so that you can get better and be healthy. Friends, we have known that probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for us, especially for our digestive system. We usually think of these as germs that cause diseases, but our body is full of bacteria, both good and bad. Probiotics are often called good or helpful bacteria because they help keep our gut healthy. So, friends, with the help of probiotic T50, You can restore your digestion by supporting your healthy gut bacteria and reduce your occurrence of heartburn, diarrhea, and constipation. So friends, you can check the link of Probiotic T50 in the description box below. And if you find this product good for you, you can buy it from its site. That's all for today. See you in the next video with new information. Till then, bye.